Hope yous are keeping alright. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone. Done a wee shout out there for me for my birthday. I've been taking a wee break over the last week or so. Back to rocking and rolling. So today I was going to show you, get a wee half a log. I have a wee bit of silver birch log here. I want to show you today how you use a Kutzall shaping dish to clean that up and see to get all the saw marks out of it, just to make this a nice workable piece. I'll show you how to sort out that end grain and stuff too here. So I'm going to get her clumped into the jaw horse, get the Kutzall plugged in, and give us a wee look at this. We'll see how smooth we can get this. So here we go guys, keep her moving. Hope you're all doing good. Alright folks, so we can see here I've got my Kutzall shaping dish on the wee angle grinder, and you can find them in the link below, and that's what I'm going to use here now to clean this wee log up. Show you are really good. So there you can see that there. That was less than a minute there guys. You can see how nice and clean that top half is compared to there where there's saw cuts on it. That's why I love using the Kutzalls, because you seen that yourself. 30 seconds guys, so keep her going here, finish this off. Right, so there we go guys, that's all real time. That's not even 3 minutes there. So what I'm going to do now is I'll move it at that clamp and straighten it up, and I'm going to sort out the end grain on the top. That wee piece is cleaned up nicely. You can see it done a really good job on the end grain there. And this is a really spalted bit of silver birch there, so there's a wee bit of punky bits in it. But compared to what it was like, so it went from that to that. That's pretty good. And a nice grain coming out on it. You can check that out. That's the finish of that shaping dish, so it's not like rough. It's pretty good. I would just run over that now with 120 grit and that's good to go. Right guys, see while I'm showing you what I do with this shaping dish, I may as well show you how you can use it to take a bark off. It's really good for taking bark off as well. So let me grab this Kutzall here. I'll give you a wee example how good it is for cleaning the bark too. And there you go, guys. Ready to carve. No hassle, no shit. Less than a minute. So there you go, guys. That's a Kutzall shaping dish. Good for debarking, good for smoothing. I really enjoy it. That's why I use Kutzall stuff. So hopefully that helped a couple of you out there, guys. There we go. All cleaned up. Ready for a nice carving. So hope that helps some of you out there, guys. That's what I use to clean up my logs. As you can see there, does a really good job. So happy days, guys. Stay creative, stay carving.